Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan, see Yuki. This time, I'm going to introduce you guys about Japanese culture. I'm going to tell you guys about wedding culture in Japan. Okay. That's so different. Marriage culture in Japan. That's different from the Philippines. Me and my wife did wedding in the Philippines, but that was so difficult to me because the culture was so different. Of course, you guys know about marriage culture in the Philippines, so no need to think a lot because that's already natural for you guys. But my wife had to explain everything to me because I didn't know the culture, marriage culture in the Philippines. Anyways, first, I will explain marriage culture in Japan this time. The big difference between Japan and the Philippines is preparation. In Japan, couples start to prepare 1 year ago of their wedding day or 6 months before. Preparation in Japan takes long time, 1 year or half year. Like deciding a venue and doing wedding in church or temple, shrine. Church is the common. How many flowers? One flower like 15,000 pesos. And what to serve for guests, drink, food plan, listing guests. Actually, in Japan, only listed guests are allowed to enter, so people cannot bring their friends to the wedding. I know in the Philippines that's freedom. In reception, people can bring their family or friends together, but that's the difference in Japan. Not only listing guests, how to arrange guest seats, chairs, guest position are fixed completely. Naidagahammaga nameplates on the table. Very strict in Japan. On the table in wedding reception is like this table and plates and their papers, letters, those are written their names and guests will write their name like this is reception like this and their new married couple's friends and guests have entered and write their name and give money gift at the time, and the envelope is very complicated and the money gift is how much? For friends, that's 15,000 pesos are common, and for supervisor or boss in the company, they should give 25,000 pesos. We call it goshuri, money gift. Like this envelope and accessories and inside is like this and this is inside the envelope and have to write amount in kanji and the flip side is name and address. And bills must be new, shouldn't be folded, that should be new. And direction of bills are fixed, should be completely face side, very strict rule. Not rule, etiquette like this. And this is the outside envelope and have to write a guest name. Like if I visit wedding, I have to write Kikuchi Yuki in kanji. And guests have to wear, for men, black suits and tie. Any color is fine as long as that's not too gorgeous. And for women, white color is not good because white color is for bride. And gorgeous color also is not good. So little basic color would be fine, would be nice. Because gorgeous color is for bride. Do not wear black tie. Because black tie is for dead people. These are inappropriate. Do not wear like this. This is animal, it's not good, and this is too casual, and this is too gorgeous, and this is this is like naked, and this one is white. Those are inappropriate, but in the Philippines, I see many gorgeous people, gorgeous women in wedding. That's fine in the Philippines, but that's not good in Japan. And by the way, about the budget, guess how much is the cost of wedding in Japan? average cost is 3 million yen. So 1,500,000 pesos for charge and reception. For reception, average cost is 340,000 yen. So 170,000 pesos. But guests will bring money like 30,000 yen, so 15,000 pesos each, and 100 or 200 guests. So that'd be how much? Or 3 million yen. Actually, wedding would be free. Not free. Guests bring money, but this is complicated because married couple have to give back gift each, like half price. I mean 7,000 pesos from married couple to guests. So guests have to bring money and married couple have to give back gift, expensive gift, like 7,000 pesos. And before the wedding, married couple have to send letter, invitation letter, each guest, and guests have to answer can visit or not. That's 3 months before the wedding. In the Philippines, that's just 2 weeks before, or 1 month is too long. But in Japan, guests have to fix their schedule before 3 months. And we did wedding in the Philippines in Tagbiran City, Bohol. I invited my friends from Japan to the Philippines. I like to inform about my wedding to my friends 3 months before, because Japanese have to prepare a lot and the culture is strict, because of the culture difference. My wife said that's too early, but I like to inform to my friends like, please, could you please greet at my wedding? That was 1 month before. That was too late for Japanese, and I was a little frustrated. I have to list my friends and what is reception, how is the reception in the Philippines, and what should friends wear, money gift, what timing is the money gift. In the Philippines, that's like dancing time, guests pin cash on the husband's or bride's dress. And I had to explain about culture to my friends, very detailed, and I made document. I made kinda manual for Japanese friends. Totally, that was good memory. Preparation was hard, but that was so good wedding. And cost of wedding in the Philippines and Japan are different, so different. In Japan, that 1.5 million pesos, and in the Philippines, that's 150,000 pesos total, including church wedding and reception in hotel, Metro Center Hotel in Tagbiran City, Bohol. My Japanese friends get surprised as I tell them the cost of our wedding, because that's 1 on 10th. And wedding was good, and my friends enjoyed a lot because I paid all their flights and hotels. I paid everything for them. I was so happy to see their smile. That's good because they're my important friends. Hello, Konsawa. Billy. Konsawa. I was talking about
what?
Wedding. Could you explain how strict is Japanese culture, such as wedding?
I haven't been to a wedding before, but yeah, it's very strict. Actually, like, if I'm not mistaken, like, if you're a guest, you need to give some sort of money. I forgot what is it called.
Goshogi.
Yeah, that one. Money gift to married couple. Yeah, all guests.
Required.
It's
No.
required. Maybe.
Not required.
It's required. So yeah, like everyone is giving money to the newlyweds, so I should give money too, or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And unlike the Philippines, like, whoever is invited is like the only ones who should go. Like, for example, if you're invited and you cannot bring anyone except yourself, just you, because it's disrespectful, I think. Yeah, you're like the only one given an invitation and you invite someone, the married couple doesn't know about it, or worse, the married couple doesn't know that person you invited over. So that's disrespectful, actually. And the cost is outrageous.
3 million yen.
Expensive than the Philippines.
And dress.
I've heard like it's around 1 million yen or something. Yeah.
For buying. And rental is like 200,000 pesos. Just rental one time. And in reception, bride can change her dress many times, twice or thrice.
So like for example, in a temple wedding, they wear that huge ass kimono, like heavy ass kimono. Yeah, my mother-in-law said it's very heavy. And in the reception, she's not gonna wear that heavy ass kimono. She's gonna wear like a white wedding dress or something like that. So, and that kimono is very expensive.
Mahal kaya.
Yeah, mind blowing.
Okay, some of the breakdowns are gone live, and thank you for listening to my explanation about wedding in Japan and the difference between Japan and the Philippines about wedding. And Amping Permi, take care always. Pistin Yawa. Thank you next time. Bye bye. Oh no. Oh. I got sleepy. Well, how can I say?
Katugon nako.
Katog nako.
Katugon nako.
Katog nako.